Hey guys, I'm Kelly with the SuburbanSoapbox.com, and today we are making the best bacon ever. This easy to make sweet and spicy candied bacon is made with just a few simple ingredients. It's a wonderful addition to all your appetizer trays, and you're going to want to put this in every single Sunday Bloody Mary. Makes a wonderful gift for your host and hostess during the holidays. Sweet, spicy, chewy, it's all there. It's totally addicting. Let's get started. To begin making your sweet and spicy candied bacon, first you're going to line a baking sheet with aluminum foil. And that's just to protect your baking sheet. There's nothing worse than trying to clean up caramelized brown sugar from the bottom of a baking sheet. I have thrown out so many baking sheets that have just been beyond repair. So let's just make sure we protect your pan with some foil. And then on top of your foil, I just have a cooling rack that I use for my baking. So this is going to keep your bacon elevated so that it's crispy all around. Since we're only coating the top of the bacon, you want to make sure it's crispy on the bottom as well as on the top so it doesn't get soggy and limp and nasty basically. First, we're going to arrange the bacon in a single layer on the baking rack. And you want to make sure that they're spaced pretty evenly apart and not touching or overlapping. This is going to allow the air to circulate around the bacon, helping it to crisp up. If you have your bacon too close together, it's not going to get crispy, the sugar is not going to caramelize, and you're going to be left with a mess. Next, you're going to sprinkle the bacon with some cayenne pepper. And then rub it in a little bit. If you don't want it too spicy, you can definitely cut back on the cayenne. And then you're going to sprinkle on some crushed red pepper flakes. And then sprinkle with black pepper. After your bacon has been coated with all of the pepper, you're going to sprinkle it with the brown sugar. And you're going to sprinkle it all over the bacon, and then we're going to pat it down. This will make sure that it forms a sticky sweet crust. It's going to balance out all of that pepperiness. I know it's a little frightening with all the pepper, but it's actually really good. Once your bacon's completely coated, you can transfer to a 350-degree oven for about 20 to 30 minutes. When your bacon's done cooking, take it out of the oven and let it cool to room temperature for just a bit. It may be a little moist or soft in the center, but once that brown sugar caramelizes and cools, it's going to get that candy texture and it will crisp up for you. No worries there. And there you have it, the most addicting snack you'll ever taste. Sweet, spicy, so crunchy and delicious. To get the full recipe, visit the SuburbanSoapbox.com. And if you like this video, please be sure to share it.